Today I'm going to be showing you how to make comfrey tea, some people call it. It's an organic liquid fertilizer. This is the plant in front of us. One thing I will say, when you plant it, it's a pain in the backside to get rid of, so when I have cut this back today and start making me tea, I'm going to try and dig up all the roots and then just grow some in some pots. That was only a small plant when I actually put it in, and it's a right mess now. So first of all, let's start by cutting some back. Sorry about this. Wait a second. As you can see, it's really easy to cut. Right, and that should be enough. As you can see, that's been trimmed back nicely now. So all you need to do is take it out there, basically just fill your bucket, whichever container you're going to use, get as much in as you can. You'll find you don't need to chop it so it breaks really easily. The more the better. Just get that carried on. This will produce a really high nitrogen level fertilizer. After several weeks, you can keep checking on it. I'd suggest that you put it somewhere that you can tend to smell a bit, somewhere away from the house or away from neighbours or anything like that. It was filled. It's the first time I'll be using this. I'm doing this stuff. I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to have every pop is there. I'm having 1, 2, 3 square metre sections. The first one is going to be used liquid fertiliser that I normally use. The middle one I will be using a chicken pellets, chicken manure, and the last one I'm going to be using comfrey. So that's the reason I'm doing this. Anyway, back to this. Get as much as you can, and then it's as simple as just chopping up with water. Like I said, as soon as you've chopped up the water, you want to get something that totally covers it all and put it in a corner of the garden that nobody visits. And keep checking on it after 3 or 4 weeks, and it should go really dark, black, brownish colour. And then you can just use it, start watering and feeding your plants organically. So any questions, just have to make Comfrey Fertilizer, Comfrey Tea as it's also known. If you like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you, bye.